Look at his jaw.
There must be
Right here,
3
like,
lobes.
somebody says like what? Dog jaw?
The hell is that?
You feel it pop.
Like I feel the sugar.
You crazy.
He has dog jaw. Look, can you touch it?
It looks red.
Nana, touch it.
Look, you have to.
What do you feel? What happened to you?
Maybe I need to go to the doctor. Feel it.
Okay, then go.
Oh, God.
Dog jaw. Feel it.
Fuck.
No, it's right here. Get close.
Like, it's like...
Oh my gosh.
Dog jaw, they're probably having you on. No such thing, I don't think, you know.
That's okay. You ready? Just go ahead.
Okay. Dog jaw. There's another person there.